If your CapCut overlay is bugging out, disappearing, showing black boxes, or not rendering properly, this video will help you fix it fast. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through 3 simple solutions that can solve the most common CapCut overlay issues without deleting your project or starting over. So if this saves you time, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut fixes and editing tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, let's check the most common issue, and that is the hidden track bug. On the left side of your timeline, look closely at your overlay track. You should see an eye icon next to the track. If that icon is crossed out, that means the track is hidden and your overlay won't appear in the preview. Click the eye icon to turn the track back on and make it visible again. This alone fixes the problem for a lot of people. Now, while you're here, make sure your overlay clip is actually sitting above your main background video on the timeline. CapCut layers are stacked, so if your overlay is on a lower track, it may be covered by the clip beneath it. Your overlay should be placed on a higher track than the main video if you want it to show on top. After adjusting the track visibility and layer order, play your timeline and check whether the overlay appears correctly. If it still isn't working, the next fix is to force refresh the cache. Sometimes, CapCut stores temporary files that get corrupted, and that can cause overlays to glitch, freeze, or disappear completely. To clear this, go to the menu, then open Settings. Look for the Cache section, and click the Delete or Trash Can icon. When prompted, select OK to clear the cache data. Don't worry, this will not delete your project files, it only removes temporary render files that may be causing the issue. After the cache is cleared, give CapCut a moment to reload, then reopen your project, and check the overlay again. In many cases, this reset is enough to bring everything back to normal. If the overlay problem is still happening, the third fix is to disable hardware encoding. This is especially useful if your overlay is showing as a black block, a transparent rectangle, or not rendering the way it should. Go back to the menu, then open Settings again, and this time go to Performance. Find the option that says Speed Up Hardware Encoding, and uncheck it. Once you turn that off, click Save, then restart the application. This setting can sometimes conflict with your GPU drivers, which is why overlays may not render correctly. Turning it off forces CapCut to process the video differently, and that often fixes the bug right away. After restarting, open your project one more time, and preview the overlay. At this point, one of these 3 fixes should solve the issue. Show the track, clear the cache, or disable hardware encoding. These are the fastest ways to deal with the most common CapCut overlay bugs without losing your work. If this tutorial helped you fix your CapCut overlay issue, please hit the like button and subscribe for more editing fixes, CapCut tips, and quick tutorials just like this. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing you how to fix CapCut black screen issues, export problems, or lagging playback next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.